What's going on, everybody? Hillbilly Fam Life here, back with another review video for y'all. This time we got the STIHL chainsaw.
It's the MS170.
And we're going to try to cut some bamboo with it.
We were told you're not supposed to cut bamboo, but you know how that is.
The back.
I want to get the bulk away from the house, that's all. That should be good. I just wanted this loose stuff away from the house. I'll get the rest with the clippers. Thank you. That's a lot better. The rest of it's just hillside, y'all. We ain't worried about that. You're done. I just wanted that away from the edge of the house. That thing ran pretty good. What do you all think? I know you're not supposed to cut bamboo, but it is what it is.
Got my poles, I'm good.
That's a lot better. Yeah, he wanted 2 giant pieces to make fishing poles, y'all. So there you have it. It's brand new. We probably dulled our chain already, but that's alright. We'll get another one. Fire ants. Oh, God. Look at him squirm, guys. I hope that's on frame. I hope him squirming was on frame. Y'all would have laughed.
Them fire ants got me good, too.
Oh, they're the worst. I went fishing one time and sit down on a spot where there was a bunch of fire ants. Oh, I was so mad. Look at the size of this one, y'all. This is the one he's going to make into a fishing pole.
Yeah, sometimes bamboo is a bad thing. It's good to turn into a fishing pole.
Yeah. And if y'all could let us know in the comments, how do you get rid of bamboo? Like, how do you stop it from growing? As we would love to know.
I'm giving that chainsaw 10 out of 10.
I'm not worried about the hillside, but where our property is, like next to the house, it's starting to grow from the hillside. So we need to figure out how to get rid of it permanently.
Someone want to do it in an environment safe way.
Yeah, in a safe way, like without chemicals and stuff. I'm hoping there's a way that we can do that.
If possible. Because we like to keep our environment clean.
But yeah, it was getting tall, and when the wind would blow, it was starting to come towards the house, so I wanted that little bit cut out. But there's the chainsaw, y'all. I thought you'd like to see it. See how it ran. I mean, these small chainsaws are very inexpensive, y'all. And it's worth it. It's really worth it.
What is that? I don't know what size bar it is.
But that's pretty much it for this video. We just wanted to show you guys how it worked. Definitely, if you're going to get any kind of equipment, STIHL is a great brand. Another brand that we use often is Husqvarna. So either of those, whenever you're out purchasing anything for yard work.
And them fire ants messed
But
me up.
that's it for this video. If y'all could, give us a like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, because we're trying to get our channel to circulate. We're finally monetized. Thank you all for that. We love you. And as always, peace out.